Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of January. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's going on with the Pisces. Messages for Pisces, please. Messages for Pisces. Okay, so we have the Eight of Swords, the Moon, the Temperance, the Nine of Swords, the King of Wands, the Justice, Ace of Swords, the Empress, the Six of Wands, the Two of Cups, the Hangman, the Hermit, the Knight of Cups, and the Three of Wands. King of Swords, the Two of Swords, and the Fool card. So with the Eight of Swords, the Moon, and the Temperance, the Nine of Swords. So with the Eight of Swords, something is definitely there which is not letting you move forward or step ahead. So definitely something has happened which you feel trapped in. There's a situation in which you really feel trapped in. You are totally very upset, anxious, and with the Nine of Swords being there, it is troubling you a lot. Whatever this situation is, with the Moon card being there, it can be a third party for some of you, but yes, whatever it is, you are very tense in a situation and you really don't know how things will be in the future. You really don't know which path to move, which direction to take. It's something like that. Though with the Temperance, you are trying to balance. You are trying to balance this. It's all in your thoughts. It's all in your thoughts. You are very troubled, very upset. Things are not actually clear to you. Though you are trying hard to balance the situation, but it's not that easy for you. It's not that easy. It's really not easy. You're really trying hard, but the path ahead is so uncertain that you really don't know where to move, which direction to take. And here we have, after the Nine of Swords, we have the King of Wands and the Justice. I think this is the energy of King of Wands, seems to be the energy of somebody you are dealing with. This person can be in the position of power, actually in the situation of power, or has an upper hand on you in some way. And what I feel is that this is the reason, whatever this anxiety is, this is, or the trouble is related to this King of Wands being there. But with the Justice card, things are getting sorted out. Either some truth is revealed, or things are getting balanced or sorted out. And I'm saying that because following it, we have the Ace of Swords, the Empress, the Six of Wands, the Two of Cups. So definitely there is a clarity regarding a new beginning over here, which is giving you victory and happiness towards this person, towards this soul connection, towards this beautiful relationship. I, whatever it is, the decision is being made, a balanced decision, a right decision. Either some truth is coming out, or whatever it is, I don't know. But yes, whatever it is, things, just see, we have these two cards for the new beginning. So something regarding to a decision, something is happening over here with the justice card. It looks like a decision or some sort of clarity is coming here with the ace of swords, which is giving you a new beginning, and you are feeling very powerful also with it. This new beginning is giving you a lot of happiness, a lot of power. It's putting you in a position of power. Okay, it can be not actually the power of the status and all, it can be actually feeling good about yourself also, but it is, you feel happy and okay, I have one type of a feeling is there. Following it is the six of wands. So you are actually emerging victorious in a situation which has been troubling you day and night. I don't know why I'm getting it. Can be you are being watched by the karma. That's what I'm getting. You are being watched. The karma is watching this, whatever is happening is, and the karmic cycle is perhaps intervening, or whatever is happening here is definitely giving you the clarity of a new beginning, and you are feeling powerful and happy and victorious towards this Two of Cups, which is a beautiful connection over here. Okay. Okay, we have following the Two of Cups, we have the Hangman, the Hermit, the Knight of Cups, and the Three of Wands. And then we have the King of Swords, the Two of Swords, and the Fool. So definitely there is a new beginning over here towards this connection. What I feel is that this is a situation perhaps which was stagnant since a long time, and now your intuition says that yes, you can make a move, and that is what you're making a move towards that person, which was, this situation was stuck since a long time perhaps, and you've taken a decision here, listening to your intuition, to move towards this person or open up towards this person. What I am getting here is that you are moving towards a person perhaps who had perhaps even turned their back on you because of the stagnancy of the relationship, perhaps because the things were not moving forward. This person has perhaps stopped investing in this situation. They have been very cold. Maybe you're not talking to them. I don't know. That's a beautiful. Yeah. What I feel is that now you have started making a move in the direction, but this person perhaps was waiting at some point in time since a long. This person was waiting at some point, at some time, really hard. They wanted this to happen, but perhaps they were tired waiting for it, and they have stopped investing in it. Okay, and they are totally detached, keeping to themselves, something like that. And but yes, ending with the Fool card, what I feel is definitely uh, I think there will be a new beginning, but yes, this can be the energy of the person who has lost hope that this will ever happen, and they have turned their back on you because they really didn't have any hope. But with the Fool card being there, maybe there is a time for the new beginning here. Let's see what is the guidance. What else can I have from my Pisces, please? The Judgment card is coming out, which is again talking about decisions, major decisions, and maybe second chance. So let's see. Again, the Judgment is coming out. I think I should take this one, and it is coming together with the Six of Swords. So somebody is definitely making a decision to walk away from a situation. I have to take this card because it's jumping out again and again. So maybe with this new beginning, this is a decision to take a new beginning, moving away from whatever was troubling or causing emotional drainage, draining of emotions, or troubling them emotionally. Let's see. Anything else for my Pisces, please? Magician, yes, a new beginning is there. With the Lovers being there, it's a connection, and the Wheel of Fortune. What else would you like to have, my Pisces? Tell me. What else would you like to have? So I have given you that clarity that yes, there is a new beginning. All the cards are the major cards. Just see. You are walking away from something towards peace for a new beginning, a major decision. Magician, the Lovers, and the Wheel of Fortune. It is something major which is coming in Pisces. A major change towards this new beginning, which is definitely about a soulmate being there. We have the Two of Cups, we have the Lovers there. Things are changing, new beginnings are happening. Definitely major decisions here. Fool, Judgment, Six of Swords, moving away from tensions for a new beginning towards the Lovers, and the Wheel of Fortune. Beautiful reading. I am also happy because I am also a Pisces. I just wish this to come true. Anyway, let's see what is the message from this deck for my Pisces. The Sun card. Happy, be happy. Beautiful. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels for Pisces. Nine of Abundance. Life is wonderful. Your hard work and dedication to your dreams will provide you with great peace and contentment. Take time to enjoy the quiet moments of reflection and leisure. Feel free to buy yourself small luxurious gifts you have earned, and the financial security and independence you now enjoy. So it's a beautiful reading, Pisces. I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.